Hi guys! Welcome back to Franz's channel, and for today's vlog, andito tayo ngayon sa isang hotel sa bagong na yung Filipino Entertainment City, Parañaque. Ang pangalan ng hotel ay?
Kingsford Hotel Manila.
So dito lang siya halos tapat ng
Okada.
Today is June 4, 2022. Okay, pagka check-in nyo, hindi naman need ng vaccination card.
Hindi naman hinanapan.
Okay, so hindi naman hinanap yung vaccination card, and since level 1 naman yung NCR. Okay, so we will have a room tour later. For the meantime, relax muna tayo guys.
Bye!
Okay, so this is the lobby area. Yan. Okay, so this is our room. So this is a deluxe room. Pagpasok dito sa room, dito agad sa yung right side ang CR. Okay, so yan, merong towel. So that's the logo of Kingsford. So may toilet, may mirror, meron ng mga vanity kit, yan, dental kit, lotion, towels. Yan, so wala siyang bathtub. Meron naman siyang hot and cold shower. Shampoo, conditioner, and ano pang isa? Body wash. Meron naman siyang curtain. So malit lang yung bathroom. At saka ito na siya agad yung room. May malaki lang na mirror dito. Dito may flat screen TV. So ando na yung couch, ando na yung parang working table or desk. So this is the queen size bed. Yan, may mga side tables. Ayan, safety vault. And yung sleepers. And of course, dito merong coffee and tea. Yan, water, pwede kang mag-init dyan. And dito meron siyang maliit na refrigerator. Yan, walang laman. And this is the window, and this is facing, ang aming view ay yung Manila Bay. Yan, and dito sa baba is the estuary connecting the sea. Yan. So may mga ginagawa pa dyan, no? Mga development. This hotel is made by Megaworld. Yung kabila, hindi ko alam eh. Okay, so maganda mamaya siguro makita natin yung the infamous, the iconic Manila Bay sunset. Okay, so that's it guys. This is the deluxe room of Kingsford Hotel Manila. Yan, so good for 2 lang talaga siya. So if you are planning to go here and stay na may kasama kayo or a family, so better check out their other available rooms na kaya accommodate yung number of persons kung ilan kayo. Okay, so dahil dalawa lang kami, we are staying here. Guys, papahinga lang muna kami. Explore pa natin yung ibang amenities nitong Kingsford Hotel Manila. This is our first time here, so check it out later. Okay, see ya! Okay, so nag-order na lang kami ng merienda and room service kasi hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch. So here's our orders. Ayan, that's what you call pizza mestiza, 4 cheese, roasted garlic paste with white sauce and olive oil. And this one is the spaghetti francesita, tomato, basil, olive, cream cheese, eggplant, asparagus, chili flakes, and focaccia. Okay, so kain muna tayo. Then later on, we'll check their swimming pool. So magsi-swimming tayo mamayang gabi. Kain na muna tayo guys. Let's eat. Okay, so try natin yung kanilang swimming pool.
Yay!
Ito palang view sa labas. Yan yung mega vaccination site. Tapos nandun yung Okada, banda doon sa gilid. So that's going to Naiya. Yan ang swimming pool sa baba. Yan, punta tayo dyan. Ito na yung swimming pool.
Ayun.
Yan. Yarn. Yes sir, mga tayo.
Kayo itong dalawa sir magpupunan doon?
Oo. Saan yung sauna?
Dito din po sir, sa solo pa.
Okay. Sige, thank you.
Sa lang nito sir, kanayan may signature, learning na signature to the Lord.
Signature.
Our waiver and guidance.
Okay. Saan tayo? Okay, so medyo madaming tao sa pool.
Yeah, magsasauna muna kami.
Balita kasi yung pool eh. Kaya sauna muna tayo. Okay, so ito yung locker ng lalaki. Yan. So meron dito sa loob ay sauna and steam bath. Yan, may shower. And this is the steam bath at yung sauna. But first, lagay muna natin yung ating gamit sa locker. So, okay, so ready na ako mag-sauna and steam bath. Siya naka-sauna and steam bath na. Ready na siya to swimming. Ako,
Magsasauna pa ako ulit at mag-steam.
so magsasauna pala siya mag-steam. Ako mag-shower and magsasauna and mag-steam din. Okay, see you later.
Bye-bye!
Okay, nasa swimming pool na tayo, guys.
Yay! Magsa-swimming kami.
Swimming na tayo. Medyo konti na lang yung tao. Ayun ang Okada, sa background. Ayan. Saka meron ditong pool bar. Ayan. Wow! Okay, so tapos na kami mag-swimming, sauna and steam bath. So it's time to relax, have a rest dahil maaga tayo bukas. Try natin yung gym and after that ay mag-breakfast tayo or whatever comes first. Okay, so good night everyone.
Good night.
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning!
It's 6:45 and magbe-breakfast muna tayo.
Tara!
Okay, so papunta na tayo sa baba sa Kingsford Cafe for the breakfast.
Try natin yung breakfast nila.
Morning. Morning. There's your order, ma'am. And there's our breakfast. Okay, so kain tayo, guys. Okay guys, so masarap yung breakfast. Meron silang taho dito, no? So try natin itong taho. Yarn. While ayan, vegetable salad.
Yes, try ko yung vegetable salad nila. Sarap.
Okay. Taho's the best. Delicious. Okay guys, so mag-gym muna tayo. And after this, mag-swimming tayo. Okay? Okay guys, so tapos na tayong mag-swimming and gym and everything for this second day. And it's time for our check out. Thank you guys sa pagsama dito sa ating another hotel vlog. And as usual, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga susunod nating vlogs. And don't forget to
Like and share!
okay guys, so till next, it's a wrap. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!